What's up guys, welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Today I have a Ford F150 pickup. This thing's an absolute monster, although the audio system in it beforehand wasn't. So let me show you what we've done here today. In the front of the doors, in the front of the vehicle, we've installed three-way Hertz Mille Pro setup. We've got the tweeters in the factory locations on the A-pillars. We've got the mid-range speaker in the top of the door card. And then behind the factory speaker grille, you have the mid-bass speaker down there. If you come over to the back, the rear speakers are also Mille Pros. You have the tweeter in the top there, and then the mid-bass speaker down behind the factory grille. We have also added some bass into the system, not using one or two, but three Audison flat 10-inch active subwoofers. These give off phenomenal amount of bass, and they really do hit some lows. A natural byproduct of formidable bass is vibrations, but not so much the case in this install. So we've fully soundproofed the rear bulkhead and also underneath the seats where the subwoofer is located. And also with the installations in all the doors, we fully soundproof those. This allows the speaker to be working a lot more efficiently, and you don't get all that panel resonance. Here's some area which is untreated and an area which is treated. Extremely solid. Speakers can be working very efficiently inside there. Powering the front and rear speakers is the Hertz 4-channel Mille amplifier. That's located in the rear, behind the rear bench. Also with another key component in this install, which is the Hertz digital sound processor. The digital sound processor allows us to clean up the dirty signal from the factory head unit and then tune that up to get the best signal and sound for bespoke to this vehicle and our customer. We have a controller located just down here at the front that allows him to adjust the subwoofer levels and swap between any presets he has on the processor. So that's a wrap on this limited edition F150. You don't commonly see many of these about these days, so it's nice to get one in our workshops and get hands on with it. If you've enjoyed this vehicle, please remember to like and subscribe. We've got plenty of other videos on our YouTube and more upcoming this year. Thanks for watching.